In today's video, I'm going to share a quick way to make over $300 plus in 3 easy steps. And I've put $300 plus because that's exactly how much I earn with this method. Because like always, I'm going to share with you some of my results and I'm going to walk you through this whole process. So what do you not need for this? Well, look, you do not need any experience for this method. You definitely do not need to spend a lot of time on this. You don't need money. It can be done from absolutely anywhere in the world. And honestly, anybody can do this. They really can do it. It is such a simple method to make money online. Now, please make sure you watch this video till the end, because by the end of today's video, you will not only know the method and how this works, but you will have it all laid out for you. You'll see exactly, step by step, how this works. I'll share with you my results to prove that, what I'm teaching you, it's not hype or BS. This is 100% legitimate. And then I'll also share with you how you can fast track the entire process. So if this sounds good to you and you're looking for, a simple and easy way to make money online, then please give the video a like. I'd really appreciate that. Leave any comments down below for me, and yeah, we'll just jump into this and I'll walk you through a pretty simple process. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online and from home, go in the description box down below and you will see you can get my free affiliate marketing course, you can get my free YouTube course, and many more. And for my #1 method to make money online, where you can earn anywhere from $100 daily up to $1,000, check out this link here. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So we'll walk through these 3 steps that you need to start earning some simple money online and from home. So step 1 is we're going to need a product that we're going to market and share. Now you can do this on absolutely any affiliate platform that you like. For beginners and for anyone really, you can use this platform over here, which is called ClickBank. Now I've done this with Warrior Plus, I've also done this with JVZoo and some other niche accounts that I'm starting to create with this method. So the first thing is we need a product. So we'll go over to ClickBank, we sign up for a free account, and then we come up here where it says Marketplace. On the left hand side here, you've got categories. Just go ahead and select a category, and literally we're just going to go through and find a product to promote. So if I scroll up here, I've just come into, what have I come into? Health and fitness. So I've come into the health and fitness category. You see this here, average conversion. This is the average amount of money you can earn from the product here. So if you want to have a look at the product that you're going to be marketing or sharing content around, it's really simple to do. You can click here and it will take you over to the sales page. And if you scroll down here where it says affiliate page, and when you click on here, it will give you all of the tools that you need to basically promote and share this product here. So let's just go with this one here. And let me get this affiliate page here as well. So this here is the sales page. Okay. So let me just pause it. I bet it did, yeah. So this here is the sales page of where you'd be sending somebody over to. So this is in the health and fitness / weight loss niche. So this is the sales page. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This over here, not this one. Oh no, not this one. Sorry, where's the affiliate page? I thought I opened it. Sorry, I'll click on here. We'll go over to the affiliate page. Oh, I had opened it. So this is the page where you can basically get all of the information from this product here. You can see they give you stuff for Facebook ads, commissions, what you can do, what you can't do, etc. So you can go through this here and have a look at all of the resources that they're going to give you on here. So if we come back over to ClickBank, this is step 1, really simple. Find a product that you want to promote. Once you find that product, the next step is you want to click on here where it says promote. And then this here, just click on generate hop link. So you see here where it says account nickname. This is basically the name or the username that you've created on ClickBank. But you see here, you will earn 70% commission for every customer that you refer over to this product. So click on generate hop link. So that there is now my link or your link. And if I click on there and click on go to, it will open up in a new page. You see there, hop equals Fern123. So this link here, it's basically tracking back to ClickBank to your account. So anyone who goes on here and they click purchase, you will earn an affiliate commission. And as you saw, you earn can't remember how much it was. I think it was 70%. Yeah, 70% wasn't. Yeah, it was 70%. So that's step one. Really simple stuff. Find a product that we want to promote. Step two is we need a platform where we're going to share content to drive traffic to this. For today's video, the platform that we're going to be looking at is this one over here. Let me come over here. And it's TikTok. And don't let that put you off. Absolutely not. Because believe it or not, TikTok isn't all about, just people singing and doing silly dances and, stuff like this, basically. Just people messing about on the platform. You can actually earn some pretty good money using TikTok. And how do I know this? Well, guess what? I did this method, I trialed it, I tested this, and I shared my results around this product. So let me go and show you this here. So this was myself on TikTok when I'd first started. So you can see here, and this here, I shared this over in my Facebook group. So you can see day 2 of TikTok, I'd uploaded 4 videos and it took me no longer than 5 minutes. I had over 1,300 views on here. I had 13 new followers, but more importantly, I'd made $45 in affiliate commissions. And these videos, by the way, I wasn't on camera. Some of them I wasn't even talking. All I did was I took out my mobile phone, my phone here, and I recorded my computer screen. It was that simple. If I scroll down here, that was on day 2. You can see here, this was day 7. I'd got over 2,000 followers, but again, more importantly, commissions. I'd earned over $300 using the method that we're looking at today. Literally from scratch, and I didn't use my email list. I definitely didn't use this YouTube account. I did this all under the radar, and you can see these are the types of videos that I was uploading. Literally, like this here. I remember this one. This was a picture on Google Images, and I just typed in US dollars, and I recorded it, and that was it. So this is the sort of content that we need. So in terms of step 2, you go over to TikTok. You create an account for free, and then you can start uploading videos related to the product that you're promoting, basically. But as I've mentioned, you can definitely do this without being on camera. You don't have to talk. You can just put on music using the TikTok app. It's really simple stuff to do. So let's say we was promoting this product here, what was this? Flat belly, was it? Yeah, flat belly, I think it was. Yeah. So basically a weight loss product. So if you wanted to create a video around this, how would you do this? And how would you do it, without being on camera or talking? Well, the first method is, like what I've said to you, is you can simply take out your phone and you can record your computer screen. So if you even wanted to, literally record the screen here, just going over the sales page or going over this page here, you just take out your phone like this and just record your screen. It's that simple. And the videos that you're uploading to TikTok, you've got a couple of options, but every single video that you upload on the platform, it cannot be longer than 60 seconds. So it's a really quick way and an easy way to make money. But let me give you a couple more examples of how you could do this. So if you wanted some some images or videos that you can use, just go on Google and type in royalty-free videos. And do this on your phone. Go on here, royalty-free videos. Look, you'll find all of these websites here. You'll find the one that everyone likes to go to, which is Pixabay. Go on here, you'll find thousands of videos. Type in weight loss. The heck's that got to do with weight loss? Where have I misspelt it? Weight loss. Maybe I needed the space. There we go. As you can see, I'm not very good at spelling. So you see this video here. This is Shutterstock. Come down here, look, weight loss fitness. So you see this video here, it's 14 seconds. You could download this video here on your phone, put some text over the top of it using the TikTok app, because that's all free. And within your video, you have a call to action where you can simply click the link in the bio, or you can even copy and paste the URL that you get from ClickBank and shorten that if you want to. That's an option for you. So you've got this video here, you've got this one. Let's just see if we've got any more. So we can let's just type in gym. look, there's loads of videos, and again, these are all free videos, so you can download these onto your phone. Once you've downloaded them onto your phone, you open up the TikTok app, you click on upload video, you can put some text over the top of this, and literally include a call to action. It's really simple stuff. If you want to see how I've done some of my previous videos on TikTok, then literally go over there and follow my account, Not Taught at School. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see the videos that I uploaded in the beginning of my journey on TikTok. None of it was technical, I wasn't on camera, and I wasn't talking on any of it. And this way, look, this will work in any niche. You can do this in weight loss, fitness. I did this in the make money online niche, so I went through this process. The only difference was, instead of me going over to ClickBank here, I went on to Warrior Plus. I found a product to promote on Warrior Plus. I uploaded a couple of videos and I put the affiliate link over to the product on Warrior Plus. And that was it. And as you can see over here, what was it in the, yeah, I earned over $300 in my first 7 days. Now, because I do affiliate marketing the correct way, obviously I was building an an email list at the same time via an autoresponder, and I was following up with people as well. But if you just started out and you don't want to go down that whole some people think it's technical, it's really not, but if you don't want to send people over to your email list, then you don't have to. If you don't want to, you're losing out on sales and recurring commissions and other bits. But if you don't want to, this is the simple process. Step 1, find a product to promote. Step 2, open up a TikTok account. And step 3, upload videos. And you can find thousands of royalty-free videos on websites like Pixabay, Pexels, InVideo. There's lots more. And you don't just have to use videos, you can use images, and yeah, that's it basically, and just record your computer screen. Now, I said to you at the beginning, if you want to fast track it, you can go ahead and check this out. This whole thing is called 1 Minute Magic. This is a course that I released, I think I released it about 6 months ago, and I completely forgot about it. It was only when I was going through my blog and I found this and I thought, I'll share a video on this. But yeah, 1 Minute Magic, it's my course. There's a link to this page here that I'm showing you on the page here. There's a video on here as well, but basically let me show you inside of this. So this is inside of 1 Minute Magic. You get a welcome and an overview. So this is a 7-day case study, and as I said, I documented everything when I was doing this live. So I recorded these videos on day 1. I then did an update on day 3. You can see here, day 3. I did an update on day 7. I shared with you the videos that I uploaded. You can see these are the sorts of videos. I share the entire process of this. Then we're going to get started, so understanding the TikTok profile, the TikTok platform basically, and how you can get your videos to rank. I share with you how you can include multiple links on your profile instead of just using one. And then we've got simple video creation, so look, how to create simple videos. Audio, if you don't want to include audio without being on camera or talking, you can use slides. What to do after your video has been uploaded, hashtags and other bits. So there's a link to this below. From memory, I think it's about $12 or $11. It's not a lot of money, and this will walk you through everything you need to know about TikTok, and it walks through it in a bit more in depth. But do you need my course? No, you don't. You can go ahead and literally get started with what I've shared with you today. If you want a complete, step-by-step guide of doing this and a case study and other bits, then go ahead and check out the link down below to this 1 Minute Magic. So look, that's today's video. That is a simple way, it really is simple, and a quick way that you can make money online without any skills, without any experience, and without a lot of time. So if you found that useful, please give the video a like. Any comments, leave them down below. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.